Welcome to the Lean Six Sigma world, your ultimate destination for mastering Lean Six Sigma. Today, in just 3 minutes, we'll explain TPM, why it is powerful, and how it can transform businesses. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hit that notification bell so that you never miss our power-packed videos. Let's get started. So, what is TPM? Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, is a holistic approach to equipment maintenance that aims to achieve perfect production by minimizing downtime and maximizing equipment efficiency. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, is a Lean Six Sigma methodology focused on enhancing the productivity of equipment by preventing breakdowns and reducing downtime. It integrates maintenance into daily operations, ensuring that every employee contributes to maintain machines efficiently. TPM is a critical element in achieving Lean Six Sigma goals, emphasizing waste reduction and process optimization. What are the benefits of TPM in manufacturing? Implementing TPM offers several advantages for manufacturing operations. First of all, it improves equipment efficiency by reducing downtime and extends lifespan of machinery. It improves cost savings by reducing production losses and minimizing repair costs. It improves better safety standards and ensures equipment is maintained properly to prevent accidents. It increases employee engagement by building ownership and accountability. It enhances quality by reducing defects caused by the equipment malfunction. What are the challenges in adopting TPM? While TPM offers numerous benefits, it also comes with challenges. First of all, is resistance to change means employees may be hesitant to adopt new practices. Secondly, lack of training means insufficient training can hinder successful implementation. Third point is high initial costs means investments in tools, training, and resources may be required upfront, and last but not the least is sustaining momentum means to maintain a long-term commitment can be difficult without regular reinforcement. In conclusion, Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, is a game-changer for organizations striving for operational excellence. By integrating maintenance into daily operations and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, TPM ensures higher equipment efficiency, reduced downtime, and consistent quality. Start now and involve your team to see the transformation. And that's a wrap. In just 3 minutes, you now understand what TPM is all about and why it is so powerful. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe to the Lean Six Sigma world and turn on notification button so that you don't miss our upcoming powerful videos. Stay tuned because we have more exciting Lean Six Sigma insights coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.